Sellers fall in love with bestseller rank because it is visible and easy to compare. But rank alone does not tell you how revenue pools across variations, brands, and price points. A product can look hot while most dollars flow to a single variation or a dominant parent listing. Chilview puts rank in context on the live page. You see price history, estimated monthly movement, and how the listing you are viewing fits the broader niche picture. That helps you avoid launching a Me Too offer on a SKU that looks busy but pays poorly. Before you source, ask whether the signal you are reading is demand, or just noise from ads and coupons. Chilview keeps the answer close to the product you are evaluating, so you move faster with less guesswork. Stop chasing rank without reading the economics underneath. Research on Amazon, decide with clarity, and protect your sourcing budget. Try Chilview.